Hey, hi guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see right in front of me, we have this ps4, if you can see that. Yeah, my camera's bad once again. And, so yeah, you can see that it has a controller. I don't know how much, because I haven't opened it yet. It's all boxed up and everything, so the console itself, and it comes with the game. I think it does. Or maybe you just have to download it. Let's see. Oh wow, that's a different controller compared to like the PS3 one, like this one. Well, you can't really see it. And then yeah, these are PS3 controllers. The PS2 ones are over here. They have a cord connected to them, and you can take it out, which is really obvious. And as you can see, this is the PlayStation 2. Yeah, we're opening the PS4 one. PlayStation 4. Okay, we're opening it now. We're trying to get something out. We just got all the foam out. There was a lot. We just threw it away. Well, there's the game. It actually came with a game. I thought you would have to download it. Oh yeah, because in the picture it says, yeah, whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna put this aside. And yeah, so I don't know what happened if we're gonna hook it up. We might just want to hook it up. So I'll be back and we're gonna go and hook it up. It might take a while, but okay. Bye. Well, we're not leaving, but we're just gonna. Yeah. Okay, we're setting it up. I'll be back when it's all set up. It's gonna probably give me. Let's see. I don't know. Yeah, we finally logged on. All these questions are asked.
Yeah.
And
we also got some games.
Welcome back to PlayStation. We made some users, yeah, as you can see.
And we did load some games, guys.
That's my old account from PS3, so this one's just an extra one if we want to put 2-player, and go ahead.
We did put some games on there, guys.
Well, what does it say? Oh, battery's full. Yay. I thought it would be low. Yeah, so we got lots of games.
So we loaded all of our games on?
Because, we did.
We are pretty good.
We didn't really play, wait, go back to Uncharted. We didn't really play this one that much. We probably just played some of the others that we've got before. Oh, and this one's, some of these were free for the PS Plus members. Because as you can see, well, it's blurry, but it's PS Plus. It's, have the year membership. Ooh, did all my friends go back? Go up? Why does it say 9 things? What's that? Messages, events, communities. What's that microphone? Party. Ooh, finally. Finally I can do something like that. What's that? That's my picture. What is it? Ooh, so
Just shows your name.
that's trophies, I can just see. That's the power, of course. Yeah. And yeah, so yeah, lots of my friends are PS Plus members. Like all these ones, yeah.
Like,
yeah,
it's pretty cool.
Yeah. We have, it's a lot of friends. I didn't know we had that much. Wait, could we watch like movies? Wait. PlayStation Video. Hit start.
Let's see what it does.
Oh, I see. It's probably. Oh, cool. Powers. I don't know what that is. All your movies will appear here. Live events. Wait, live events.
We should just TV video.
Hulu. Ooh, YouTube. What are these? Is that Crunchyroll? I think that's Crunchyroll. Yeah, that's Crunchyroll. More services. Wait, hit YouTube. Ooh, yeah, we can watch YouTube. I've already signed up for it. And also, you have to put a credit card in. It should let you do that in the sign up thing. Yeah. So, here's just... I don't know what these are for. Ooh, here's my picture. That's my YouTube channel. That's my old YouTube channel. Okay, bye guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video of us opening the dun dun dun. So the ps4, the PlayStation. Okay, bye guys.